Imagine a place so remote, so untouched, that time seems to stand still. Picture a vast expanse of Siberian wilderness, the air thick with the scent of pine and damp earth. The year is 1908, and the world is on the brink of change. A celestial visitor is hurtling towards Earth, destined to create an explosion that will forever alter our understanding of the cosmos. This is the story of the Tunguska Event, a mystery that continues to captivate scientists and stargazers alike. At precisely 7:17 a.m., the silence of the Siberian wilderness was shattered. A blinding flash, brighter than 1,000 suns, illuminated the sky. An explosion, thousands of times more powerful than Hiroshima, ripped through the atmosphere. This was a cataclysm of epic proportions. The explosion near the Podkamennaya Tunguska River sent a shockwave across the globe. Windows shattered, buildings trembled, and people were thrown to the ground. Seismographs as far away as England registered the event. Hundreds of miles from the epicenter, the indigenous Evenki people and Russian settlers were going about their daily routines when the sky erupted in chaos. Eyewitnesses described a blinding light, followed by intense heat and a deafening roar. Some reported seeing a fiery object streak across the sky, leaving a trail of smoke and fire in its wake. Reindeer herders, tending their animals in the vast taiga, told tales of trees bursting into flames, the ground shaking violently beneath their feet, and their reindeer being flung through the air as if tossed by an invisible hand. The stories, passed down through generations, paint a vivid picture of the terror and awe that gripped those who witnessed the event firsthand. Section 4: Nature's Battlefield. The true extent of the devastation was staggering. Over 80 million trees, covering an area of more than 830 square miles, were flattened like matchsticks, radiating outwards from the epicenter. The force of the blast was so powerful that trees were stripped bare of their branches and bark, their trunks charred and scorched beyond recognition. The once pristine landscape was transformed into a desolate wasteland, littered with the debris of 1 billion shattered trees. The air hung heavy with the smell of smoke and ash, a grim testament to the raw power unleashed on that fateful day. Section 5: Ripples in Time and Space. The shockwaves generated by the explosion were felt thousands of miles away. In London, England, nearly 4,000 miles from Tunguska, barometers at a weather station recorded a sudden spike in air pressure. Across Europe and Asia, people reported seeing strange, luminous clouds in the night sky, their ethereal glow illuminating the darkness for days after the event. The seismic activity triggered by the explosion registered on seismographs around the world, providing further evidence of the sheer scale of the event. The Tunguska Event, though occurring in one of the most remote corners of the globe, had left its mark on the planet, a stark reminder of the immense forces at play in our universe. Section 6: The Cosmic Suspect. The most widely accepted theory is that the Tunguska event was caused by an asteroid or comet entering the Earth's atmosphere and exploding before it could impact the surface. This type of explosion, known as an airburst, occurs when a celestial object enters the atmosphere at high speed and experiences intense frictional heating. The heat and pressure cause the object to vaporize or explode before it can reach the ground, releasing a tremendous amount of energy in the process. This theory is supported by the lack of an impact crater at the epicenter of the Tunguska event, as well as the presence of meteoric material in the surrounding soil and trees. Section 7: Unlocking the Past. In the decades since the Tunguska event, numerous expeditions have ventured into the Siberian wilderness to investigate the site and unravel the mysteries it holds. Scientists have collected soil and tree samples, searching for clues about the nature and origin of the object that caused the explosion. Recent studies have revealed the presence of microscopic particles in the resin of trees that survived the blast. These particles, rich in elements commonly found in meteorites, provide further evidence to support the asteroid or comet airburst theory. While the exact nature of the Tunguska object remains elusive, each new discovery brings us closer to understanding this enigmatic event.